be talking today about what we can, okay, magnetism, okay, and magnetism, that is what we're going to be talking today, right, and specifically what we're going to be talking today, right, is there are so many things that we want to discuss, right, which are the first one is this. That's our first point we're going to be discussing. What is magnetism and what is the importance in electrical? We want to understand magnetism, okay? And why is it important in electrical? The other thing we're going to be discussing also will be the characteristics of a magnet. That is the main thing we're going to be discussing also, right? First, why is magnetism important in electrical? And second, the characteristics of a magnet. That's the other point we're going to discuss, right? So, let us recall magnets, okay? More or less. I have some magnets here. Okay? So what can you tell me about magnets? Okay? Anybody? Just raise your hand if you can tell me something about magnets. What do you know about magnets? One? From a north and a south pole? Yes. That's a good observation. What else? Anybody? Right. What happens if the magnets, I have magnets here. What happens if I put them together or close to each other? They will join, okay? Or attract, they call it, okay? This is attraction. What happens if I turn the other side and I want to join them? What will happen? They will repel, okay? I can join them, but okay, I have to join them with force, but when I flip it, it's gonna drop, okay? It's gonna return back, okay? You will not be able to, none of them want to be together. They're gonna be repelled, okay? So that is what we know about magnets, okay? So basic thing about magnets, what do we know about magnets? Okay? So Giovanni said they have a poles, north and south. Okay? They can be attract or they can be repelled. Okay? That's another thing we know about magnets. Okay? But do we know anything that magnets need to do with electrical? Do we have any idea? Okay? They are conductors. They are not really conductors, okay, but I'm going there. It's a good observation also. Okay? What else can you think magnets is good for? They could generate electricity, right? Okay? Yes, right. We have some right here that know actually about magnets, okay? Right? So, going back to magnets, why do you think magnets are important in electrical? Because of one main thing, okay? Giovanni just said it, okay? You can write it here. Magnetism can produce, what do you think magnetism can produce? Okay? Electricity, okay? Exactly. Magnetism to produce electricity. And that's the main thing magnets do, right? Magnets have the ability that they can produce electricity. Right? And what type of electricity do you think magnets can create? Anybody? Live electricity? Right? What type of current do you think magnetism can create?
Direct current.
Raise your hands and then tell me. Alternating current? Who do you think? Do you think that's true or false?
False.
True? Why magnets can create alternating current?
Because then consider that generator is equal to magnet.
Exactly right. You're going there, right? Okay. Now let us look at this program again. I know I showed you this last class. Remember when we were talking about alternating and direct current? We said that direct current gets power from where?
Batteries.
From batteries. Okay? Alternating current gets power from generators. Right? So this program right here, we already see it. Okay? So how does this work? We are hitting this, we can create electricity, okay? Alright, so let me play this again so you could observe it. Okay? Alright? Put this to the max, okay? Alright? We see that this is rotating and it is passing current to produce, okay? What exactly is that doing, okay? This is a simulation of a generator. But in simple terms, what is happening there? Yeah. Alright, so we have a coil right here. Okay? This right here. It's a coil. Right? This is wire, actually. And this that is rotating is a magnet. Generators are normally built with a magnet inside. That is the one that is rotating, right? In other words, a generator works this way. I have a coil of wire, like this. I will have a magnet between. And as this rotates, okay, I will be able to generate electricity. So this is what's actually happening, okay? This magnet is rotating, creating what we know as electricity, right? Now in the simulation it looks easy, but do you think that if I spin this between the coil, do you think I will be able to produce any electricity? No, okay? That is correct. I can't produce no electricity without, if I spin this inside this coil. It is impossible. Okay? The only way I can make this produce electricity is by having a bigger magnet, okay? And this coil of wire need to be close to each other, okay? That is how a generator normally is. A generator is built with wires, okay? So we'll have a wire here, next one here, here, okay? And the faster this magnet actually rotates, okay, more power I'll be able to generate, okay? And that is how a magnet works, okay? Alright, so the important thing why magnetism is important in electrical is because magnetism can produce electricity. Right? We can see it here. Rotating a magnet inside a coil, like how we are doing here, we have the ability of producing electricity. Right? That's the only way we can generate electricity with a magnet. Now, if you go on YouTube now, there on YouTube you find a lot of videos. Okay? And I was searching on YouTube yesterday and I find an experiment right there. Okay? Which when I see it, I start, let me think, right? Is that possible I can generate electricity that way? And then when when I start reading the comments, I find out that it was a fake video, okay? And it is true, right? I saw it and I stayed with it in my mind. How they generate electricity like this? And then I started reading the comments and so on, and I found it is impossible, right? It is true, right? In YouTube, they're saying that, okay? It's a totally fake video also. So don't think you can generate electricity that way. They're saying that if I have two magnets, I put some wire right here, I connect it to a lamp and I turn it right here, I will make the lamp work. Okay? Right? And they show a video where the lamp actually is working. And I said, how they make that lamp work? Okay? And it's impossible, right? You need to have a magnet moving inside the coil so that you will generate electricity. What does the magnets actually do, right? Okay? If you look at this, when I spin the magnet inside the coil, what is this that is moving? They are electrons, okay? Exactly. Now the faster I move the magnets, the faster the electrons will be moving, right? So that is an important thing we need to know about magnets, okay? So why magnetism is important again? Because it can produce electricity, okay? And there's another thing we can say, right? If magnetism can produce electricity, we can say that electricity, what do you think will happen with the electricity? If magnetism creates electricity, now electricity, what can electricity create? It can create magnetism, okay? Electricity can create magnetism, right? That's another important thing, right? The two of them are related, right? Magnetism has the ability of producing electricity. Electricity has the ability to produce magnetism, right? So I will show you a way more or less, okay? You know you have seen this already, okay? You have a supply here, okay? This is a supply right here, okay? Okay. If you notice what I am doing, right? I am keeping the magnets away from my laptop, right? Why do you think I need to keep the magnets away?
Got that turn off.
Huh? Yeah, turn off, exactly, right? Okay. Magnetism also, you can connect it near an electronic device, especially computers, cell phones, and so on, okay? As they will attract, okay? Remember that electricity and magnetism are together. So if you put a magnet close to a computer or a laptop, what will happen? You will turn off the computer, right? Okay? So I need to keep them away from any electronic device, right? Okay, so let's work with this. We have a supply right here. Connect this right here. Okay? And okay? Went and I built this. So there, how do we call this? You know this already with science? You always learn this in science. Electromagnets, yes. This is an electromagnet. Okay? What I did here, I simply take a wire, wrap it around a screw right here. Okay? And this is known as an electromagnet. Right? So we know that magnetism can produce electricity, as how it says there. Okay, you can see right there on the diagram, taking a magnetic or inside a coil to be able to produce electricity. Now, you know that electricity now can produce magnetism. So let's check this out. We have electromagnet right here. Okay, I will connect this right here. Okay, make your time. This one contacts right here with me. Okay. And of course, we need a power supply. Okay. The screw by himself. Okay. There's no magnetism. Okay. So this is only a screw with a wire right there. Okay. See? Now what will happen if I connect this now to the supply? Okay. Okay. Supply. This. And I've created magnetism. Okay. Up in the supply, what happens? Okay. Magnetism is last, and no magnetism right now. Okay. Okay. To turn it on again. Magnetism off. No magnetism. Okay. Right. So that is electricity. Okay. You know that magnetism produces electricity, and now electricity can be able to produce magnetism. Right? So we are already knowing why are they important. Okay? Without electricity, we can produce magnetism. Right? Now every time you make a current pass through a wire, that wire will become magnetized. Okay? Now electrical installations, when you connect a lamp, when you connect a fan, and so on, and you make them work. Okay? As long as that wire is carrying a current, that wire has magnetism. Okay? But the thing that happens in the wire is that they have an insulation. Okay, remember the insulation that they have? So that insulation prevents the magnetism to actually go with the other conductor. Okay? Insulation prevents the magnetism. Okay? That's an observation we have to know, right? Okay? Alright, so do we understand why magnetism is important now?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yes? Magnetism is important, okay? Because of those factors and so on, okay? Now, let us look now at the characteristics of a magnet. That is what we're going to be discussing right now, okay? So, you already seen this. Now we'll go to this one, okay? Now this is a magnet here, okay? Seen a magnet. Magnets we can find it in different types. Okay, we have those ones which are the circular ones over there. Now this is called a bar magnet. Okay, there's some right here. These are bar magnets, similar to the one we have there. Okay. A bar magnet is very easy to understand. Okay, we have as how Giovanni said, we have a north and a south. Okay, north and south. But when it comes to this type of magnets that I have here,